Yeah, this is me coughing from having difficulty breathing. This is one of my best friends. My severe asthma attacks is that I don't react the way you're supposed to do. Then you come to the doctor and she tells you that you don't have a problem. And every time after that, I've postponed going to the emergency room.
People would come and they'd get upset that it had taken so long to get to someone who understood what was causing their symptoms, and the only way that people can really get the care they deserve is to be put in front of someone who actually understands that, sees that on a regular basis, and isn't going to tell them, actually, I think you're okay.
Many people with chronic lung diseases, such as COPD or asthma, use a nebulizer to take their medicine in the form of a mist that's inhaled into the lungs. Nebulizers are often recommended for patients who've had a hard time using inhalers because of health issues, or not being able to inhale deeply enough with other devices. Mesh nebulizer is low noise, compact, convenient to carry, and comes with our patented Respirite technology. This technology ensures the medicine is converted into ultra-fine particles by the atomizer, and then is deposited directly in the respiratory tract. This also gives maximum relief from the chronic diseases such as bronchial asthma, acute bronchitis, pulmonary infections, cystic fibrosis, small airway disease, and all other respiratory infections.